Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to download or install YouTube on Windows 10 or 11 or currently Windows 11. So I'm currently using Windows 10, but if you're using 11, the this installation process is particularly same. So we are gonna head over to our Chrome browser, and in here just head over to your YouTube website or youtube.com. So it might take a while to load. So once it is done loading, you have to head over to the three dots on the top right. Here you will find it. And here, go to Cast, Save, and Share. So here you will find the option of Install YouTube. So if there's some internet connection problem, you might see Install this web page as app. Just tap on it and tap on Install YouTube. So this layout will arrive in front of you. Here you have to just click on Install and the downloading process will be started. And then you have to follow the prompt and sign into your Google account to use your YouTube. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.